In this recording, we are going to explain how to do number 15 in the Math 1 to 2 Statistics 1, Unit 6, Assignment 6. So it says, if a random variable x approximates a normal distribution with a population mean of 150 and a variance of 22 squared, find the probability that x is less than 148.24. Now 148.24 is less than 150. And we know we must standardize before we can go to the table for our final answer. Now 148.24 minus 150, this is going to give us a negative number, and we need to shade it towards the left. So we're already on the left side of 150 towards the left. So this is a situation of a left tail. We are going to try to find the probability of z less than a negative number. Now, you know, once you have to find a tail, you must find a big chunk and then subtract from 1. So let's get a similar example to this in Unit 6. We're trying to find the probability that z is less than a negative value. So that's a left tail. Our final answer will be less than 0.5. So here's a similar example of finding z less than negative 1.6. So this is the same as z more than 1.6. A left tail for the same z is the same value as a right tail, because we are trying to find the area of a shaded region, which is probabilities. Now, the table that we are going to use is only going to give us a big chunk. It does not give us tail. So to find a tail, we have to find a big chunk and subtract from 1. So we're going to find the probability of z less than 1.6. We're going to find phi of 1.6. Okay. Let's say here is 1.6. We're going to find phi of 1.6. That's a big chunk, a value more than 0.5, and subtract from 1. And this will give us our final answer. And here it is done. Phi of 1.6 is 0.9452, for example. Subtract from 1 will give us a value which is less than 0.5, 0.054. So that's what we've got to do for this example. We're going to get a negative z, but we're going to find phi of the positive of that z, which is a big chunk, more than 0.5, and then subtract from 1 to give us our value of our left tail, which will be the final answer for this. So all you need to do is to draw your curve, put 150 in the middle, draw another vertical line for 148, which will be on the left side, and then we standardize, we put 0 on the 150, and we put that negative z value, and then we show our working similar to this. So that should help us with number 15.